In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate www.costco.com and sameday.costco.com to shop seamlessly from the comfort of your home. First, we'll start our journey by heading over to the official Costco website. So open up your browser and type in www.costco.com. Once you land on their homepage, you'll be greeted with a range of options showcasing the extensive variety of products Costco has to offer. Next, take your cursor over to the Featured Items section. You'll typically find these prominently displayed as Costco highlights popular and seasonal goods selected to give you the best deals. Clicking on this section will provide you with insights into the best sellers and on-sale items, making it an ideal starting point for anyone keen on catching a bargain. Now let's switch over to sameday.costco.com. Once there, you'll notice a Start Shopping button. Click on it, and you'll be introduced to an interface that allows you to explore various products available for same-day delivery. This is particularly convenient for those spontaneous needs or when you're preparing for an event last minute. As you browse, you will come across products that might pique your interest. For instance, let's say you're eyeing some Kirkland's Signature USDA Choice Beef. To proceed, click on the drop-down menu, which will present you with different varieties of that particular product. This feature offers flexibility and ensures you can choose exactly what suits your preference, whether it be the cut, size, or type of meat. Once you've made your selection, simply click on your desired type of choice. This will confirm the product choice, and you'll be ready to add it to your cart. It's as simple as that. The Add to Cart button will usually be prominently displayed, making it easy to include all your desired items for purchase. After adding the products to your cart, the next practical step would be to select the delivery option. You'll observe an option indicating delivery, tomorrow 1 p.m. or something similar, depending on the product's availability for same-day delivery. This specifies that your order can be conveniently delivered tomorrow. It's a fantastic feature to ensure your purchases arrive promptly when needed. For more details about your selections and potential costs, click on the cart icon. This will give you a comprehensive look at your list of items, along with prices and any additional fees that might apply. Reviewing your cart ensures there are no surprises at checkout and that you've selected everything you need. Finally, when you're satisfied with your choices, it's time to proceed to checkout. This step involves finalizing your payment and confirming the order. It's important to have your payment details on hand to facilitate a smooth transaction. And there you have it. With these steps, shopping on Costco's platforms becomes straightforward and efficient, enhancing your online shopping experience.